All right, come on, Terry. Got to get yourself pumped up here. We know the market really sucks, and our stocks keep getting beat down. And we got to get ourselves a pep talk in here because we got to get the future meta millionaires positive. We can't let them sell on days like this where we bring out good news and the stock sells off. So I hope the market doesn't suck today. What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. By the dip. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that intro there. It definitely put a smile on my face. We need it on days like this. We need a freaking good laugh. So hope you enjoyed that. All right, guys. Big news. METATERRY comes out with another freaking press release today. Let's go. In Georgia we trust. That's what we're talking about. METATERRY receives 2.2 million additional central bank purchase orders. This is huge. So let's go over and take a look. Here it is. METATERRY received the 2.2 million additional central bank purchase orders. And here you can say, today announced that it has been awarded 2.2 million in additional purchases orders under the development contract between its wholly owned subsidiary Nanotech. Has this not been the freaking greatest acquisition ever? A confidential central bank. The new orders include approximately 1 million for development services and approximately 1.2 million for a sample product. On October 1st, 21, just ahead of the merger of Meta, Nanotech announced that it renewed a frame agreement to continue develop of a unique security feature for its confidential G10 central bank customer. The frame agreement has a maximum value of $41.5 million over a 5-year period for the fiscal year 2022. The awarded purchases order under the contract now have increased from approximately 7 million to 9.2 million. So here we got a quote from George. We are proud to receive additional orders from this important customer, reflecting the significant progress we are making developing secure and memorable nano-optic authentication features for potential future banknotes, said George Palikaris, the president and CEO of METATERRY. That deserves a let's freaking go. So guys, like I said, George is out there putting in the work. We got the In George We Trust back here. Let's go take a look at the price action today before we go look at the Fintel. Here we are on MMAT on the Yahoo Finance. We were down 7.47% during the regular hours. We did get back 2.48%. We ended the day at $1.65. So we got here and look, the average volume is 5.7 million. We did beat that by, we had over 6 million in trading volume. So we'll take that. Not that we're happy. We're down about 5% for the day on fantastic news. That has nothing to do with Meta, guys. That goes to show you the market and where it's at. Look at a lot of stocks today. Look at poor AMC and a lot of them, man. A lot of these stocks are getting beat down. Does not deserve it. Meta put out fantastic news. And what happens? The stock goes down 5% overall because of the way the market is. So let's go take a look here at MMTLP. It was pretty much very similar. We just went down 4.76%. We're currently at $1.20, which in my opinion is a freaking steal. I grabbed some yesterday for $1.15. If this goes down, I'm just going to have to pick some more up. I'm curious to pick some more up tomorrow because, yeah, these prices is just getting ridiculous to not buy them up. So average volume 654,000 and we traded 451,000. So about 200,000 less of the volume. Like I said, we don't care about that. They're hoping to get people to sell this on emotions, and before this deal is done is what they're doing. Trust me, when this thing got sold off down to $1.11, they were buying it back up and slowly raising the price up to that $1.39 where it was at. And what do? They short it back down, and they hope to scare people to sell it back to them. That's what they want to do. So let's go now take a look at the Fintel. So here we are, guys, on the premium Fintel. We're going to take a look at what we got here for today. Look at this short squeeze score getting juicy at 92.26, ranked 78. Now we have over 5,600 stocks, so that is nice to see. Gamma squeeze score is 90.36, ranked 126. And look at this, guys. Short shares that are available. Let's go. There was 0 multiple times today, and there's only 50 shares left as of right now. Update 22 minutes ago. And look at this here. The borrow fee, short borrow fee is 8.99%. So it's pretty expensive for them to borrow or short this stock, which I love it. I want to see that keep going up. This one here is probably the most insane number that I think I see on this whole chart. The FINRA short volume ratio is a 63.43. Are you freaking kidding? That is very high of a short volume ratio for the FINRA. Back on March 28th, no, March 25th, we had a 65.84. And, oh, this just updated. So here we go. Aggregate short volume ratio you're going to see on the 5th. 67.8 between the FINRA, CBOE, and the PSX, man. That is just insane short volume. The shorts were, look how much they had to short this stock to drive it down 5%. They are throwing everything at this. Meta puts out good news. What do they want to do? They want to short it. They want to drive it down. And it's just insane. It's costing them a lot of money to short this. And all it takes, man, get that dividend going, off to the moon we freaking go. All right, so now I want to take you over here to oilprice.com. And speaking of, you know, the dividend, let's take a look at the oil prices, because WTI crude oil is at $101 and Brent crude is at $105. So the oil prices are still hanging above that $100 price, which is good, because what did they go by that average? Sometimes they may do the last, you know, so many time frame of days, and the higher this stays, it's knocking off a day from a year ago or 6 months ago where it was lower, and we're adding an additional day, which if they do go by rolling so many days. As we saw when Meta did the purchase of the plasma company, they went by the last 10 trading days. And I don't know if oil will do 10 days, but it could do a couple months, 6 months, a year, average price, because oil can fluctuate pretty crazy. But we will see what happens. Now, I got something really exciting for you, and let's just get into it. Is this freaking stock pick of the week, and we're gonna have fun with this one. Ticker symbol UTAA. That's right. This has the big rumors going on. As you see, this stock here was setting at $9.90. It shot to $9.99, and then boom, this thing spiked to $12.50, and it did sell back off, and now it's setting at $10.87. And here you can see. And look at the volume on this, guys, on this SPAC here, this SPAC, now sitting at $10.86. Average volume is 48,000 shares traded a day. Today it hit over 414,000 because that was in the after hours. And the big rumor is that UTAA is merging possibly with Onlyfans. That's right. And if you don't know what Onlyfans is, just go Google it. You'll find out. Let's just say it is services by women taking pictures of themselves. We'll leave it at that. But anyway, we got to talk about it because it's a great play, no pun intended, to make some cash. Because as you know, these SPACs have a floor level. This SPAC wasn't trading below $9.80, so there is very little risk of about $1 risk per share where it's sitting at. Because the most it can go back down to here is $9.90. Me, myself personally, I'm looking at the actual stock. I'm looking at the warrants because there could be a lot of pop. This just hit after hours. Wait till people can start buying this. And here is some of the speculation going on of why this SPAC could be merging with OnlyFans. So I want to give a shout here to King of SPACs and Terrible. I'm going to be using some of their info for this video. So here you can see for UTA, it says down here under the corporate profile that they're looking for a company, and it gives different companies they're looking for, and it says here creator economy. Now if we go back here and look at the next picture we got, this person here is on the board of OnlyFans right here, and if I can get it up here, Alex Ohanian. I don't want to butcher that, but yeah, here you can see, and he is now part of the UTAA as well. So this is going to be interesting, guys. I'm super excited about this one, and I got this one here pulled up. This is from an article back in December, and it says here, UTA prices 200 million IPO for SPACs targeting gaming and creator economy. And there is big talk about the OnlyFans coming public via SPAC. So, like I said, for me, I actually covered the Playboy SPAC, and that was Mountain Crest. And that stock ran crazy. Actually, I'm going to pull it up for you real quick. I just want to show you here Playboy stock because it went crazy. PLBY stock. And it basically plays as like a meme stock, guys. Look at this. I bought that stock down at $10 just out of fun. I got a video on it on my channel. You could probably type in Playboy stock under my videos. You'll see it. This thing memed up to $40. Now it's back down to $12 because of the risk off trading. But this was like a Reddit meme style stock because it was Playboy. So I see the very similar situation here with OnlyFans. It's a great way to throw a little gambling money in this. That's what I'm considering as a gambling play. Only put risk gambling money into this because this is all pure speculation, 100% speculation. But you got the guy from the board of directors and management joining into OnlyFans that's on UTA as well. So it's going to be super exciting to see what happens. There's already a lot of excitement around it. And that's what drives these plays to go is the hype, the excitement. You can buy it in, it runs up, you just sell out of it and take your profit. That's what I suggest on this play. But it does have the potential to run like Playboy up to $40. So we'll see. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.